Or from the McDonald's? Will you be using the McDonald's app today?
No.
What can I get started for you?
The chicken Big Mac meal, of course. All right, here we go. Lo and behold, the chicken Big Mac. Pretty good. I think it needs a little more sauce though. I think the problem is that the patties are thicker and harder because they're deep fried, so they're not as thin as a hamburger patty. I think it would do well on its own though, just a single patty instead of the Big Mac style. But in theory, it's awesome and it tastes good, but I think I'd reduce the size. So